do not get stressed out while seeing these many cells and the inputs. I'm going to explain each and every cells with a very simplistic manner. But before, let me explain you the number of seats that we got in this Excel sheet. So we have total how many seats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a total 7 seats. And then out of the 7 seat, the 2 seat, which is a dashboard and the data, is a kind of automation sheet where you don't have any access to edit any cells, but you can able to visualize the charts and the data. Why? Because anyway I am going to explain each and every concepts manually, but there are some limitation to it. And what I have done, I have automated everything, and all the results you will be able to get in this 2 sheet. But all the outputs, all the data which are there in these 2 sheets, I am going to explain each and every things using this remaining sheets, which is fun with vehicle dynamics, fun with vehicle acceleration, fun with drive cycle, and the fun with coast down test. So once we are done with the manual, then I will come back to explain you how to do everything in a just single click, which is here. As you can see, the big calculate button, you will able to see it. So let's say you are done with all the inputs, and I'm going to explain you what are the inputs required, and then finally if you just click this button, all the results you will able to get in these 2 sheets, which I am going to explain at the end. But now let's start with the input sheets, which is the vehicle input sheets, which is here. So according to you, what will be the input? In the formula we have seen the first input that we have seen is kind of vehicle mass. Second input that we just remember is the rolling resistance coefficients. Third, of course, we saw in the equation the drag coefficients. Then what another thing, the frontal area. So this is the vehicle parameter, and that we are going to provide the inputs in this Excel sheet. Now the second inputs, the desired input or the performance input that we want to achieve in the vehicle, and for that performance we are going to design the motor, and hence we need to define what we are expecting out of the vehicle, and hence we are going to design the motor according to the performance that we want. So the second set of inputs will be with respect to the vehicle performance. So these are majorly 2 inputs that we are going to provide in this sheet. So let's go one by one or cell by cell here.